Hello everyone, I hope you're doing good. If you use Intel graphic card, this video is for you. Without any software, we will able to increase the video RAM. It boosts up the performance of your computer and also it boosts the FPS on gaming. We can do it on Windows 11 and also on Windows 10. I will show you both of them first. On Windows 11, click on Start, right click on Start, then go to Device Manager. Here we have Display Adapter, open Display Adapter. After that, right click on the Intel, Intel or right click here, UHD graphic, click here, Update Driver, search automatically for driver. Now, the base driver for your device are already installed. Here's the first step. The second step, right click, go to show more option for Windows 11, then display setting, find here advanced display. For Windows 10, right click, go to display setting, then scroll down, look, here is advanced display setting. Both of them are the same. After that, when you go to advanced display setting, here is display adapter, click here. From here you can see your available graphic memory. Now, video memory is here, 128. How we can increase, I will show you. Open your run, right here, regedit or regedit, then OK. Here ask you, do you want to allow? Click yes. Come to key local machine, open this file or this folder. Here we have software, find software and open software. After that, look here for Intel. Here is Intel. Right click here, then go to new, click on key. Put here GMM, then enter in GMM here. Right click, go to keyword 32-bit value. Right here, dedicate segment size. Without any space, right, without any space, without any spelling mistake. Right like this, want to check again. Dedicate segment size. Then enter. Double click here. Look here. Before this, minimize. Then right click on your PC, go to properties. Look here. My RAM is this one, 60 gig. For Windows 11, you can find like this. For Windows 10, right click this PC, then go to properties. Look. Windows 10 is 4 gig. Here I have one information. If your RAM is 2 gig, write 256. My RAM is 16 gig. I write 2048. Copy this one. I should write here 2048. Sorry, 48. Then OK. It is OK. Then close. Restart your computer. Then share the result on the comment. Have a good day. See you soon.